Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hello, how are you? Well, as usual, as always, what should I say? I am going to wash the store-bought frozen shabu-shabu and sukiyaki grade thinly sliced Wagyu Japanese beef. So this is simple, right? Like I said, all I have to do is 2 tablespoons of certified organic vinegar, rice vinegar. If you don't have it, you can simply use the apple cider vinegar. Gotta be organic though. And then 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Like I said, not to be confused with baking powder, because most baking powders are mixed with nasty stuff such as GMO-ridden corn flour, cornstarch, aluminium, and all other unwanted guests. And I reckon to double check with the independent reports, okay? And once you're feeling comfortable, let's begin. So I'm just going to do it quietly, so you just watch, okay? And all you need to do, because the thinly sliced meat, I mean, you can do it at least, 30 minutes, but ideally you want to do 3 hours. Anyway, I'll show you how to do it. Okay. Okay then, so I'm gonna spend roughly 3 hours to do the detoxing process, and then after that I go ahead cook something very good. Yeah, I feel like cooking some beef and tofu stew or something like that. Okay, so stay healthy. God bless you all. Take care. Okay. And oh, by the way, reason why I'm doing this, so by doing this process, you can get rid of at least 65% of unwanted guests, right? That's what I forgot to tell. All right, take care. Cheers.